crime. There is huge crime happening here. We came to this church to bury Godrich's child as an evidence of how people get killed in Mpumalanga and nothing happens. Till to date, Godrich still doesn't know what happened to his child. So if they can do that to a member of parliament, former secretary general of the EFF, the funeral is high profile, it's everywhere on the TV, where police are supposed to show that we've got capacity, let's demonstrate. If they can fail such a person, what about those who stay at the border of Mozambique? That people get killed in Mpumalanga, nothing happens. Cash in transit in Mpumalanga has gone very high. There's no one who can do anything about it here in Mpumalanga. Police are in the pockets of criminals. When you speak, they kill you. When you speak, they kill you. That's why our Uba whistleblower is police who go and tell people that it is so and so who brought the information here about you. And then when we go, these people who killed Godrich's daughter were told by a traditional healer, after they killed this child, they went to the traditional healer, they cleanse us. What is the problem? They explain. The traditional healer goes to the police come, arrest the people. Right? No problem. The criminals are arrested. Boom! The traditional healer must come now and give evidence. He's dead. Nowhere to be found. How did these criminals know that the traditional healer gave information to the police? Then the next thing, there is some ugly fellow who's being brought. No, it's not those ones. It's now this one. We've got, he even confessed this one. We'll never know justice. That's why Godrich must sue them. At least Godrich is a lawyer. He can afford to sue the state and get something out of this. Many people in Mpumalanga go through that without any justice. Senzo Meyiwa's father went to grave crying about his child. Today, Senzo Meyiwa's mother is the one now who's crying the loudest. She's going to live without knowing justice. When you look at that case of Senzo Meyiwa, you can see it is being messed up deliberately. No, judge yela ba rekile. Hey, hauna judge ya rekwa. Judge work on the basis of the evidence before him. The evidence and chain of evidence is being messed up so that the real killers of Senzo Meyiwa cannot be found. If they can't find Senzo Meyiwa's killers, we're now man. Captain ya bafana bafana. Not bafana bafana ya mushata ya uluza. Ya bafana bafana ya uwina, the real captain. Ya pirates. Ya bulaiwa. Till today, we don't know what happened. That is the story of the people of Mpumalanga, where people get killed and there's nothing you can do. Comrades, I'm not complaining, I'm just sharing with you the ideas and the things that you know.